So hello everyone, I am Rudra Sharma, your German tutor, welcoming you all to the Blessings Deutsch Schools, my YouTube channel. As we had covered some letters in our previous class, for giving more knowledge about German, I have to give you examples of it. As we had covered one example of each word like A for apple, B for banana, C couch, D Deutsch. So like that we have to do more examples of it. So as we had covered das alphabets, some das alphabets, not all. So in my mind I just remembered, let's do more interesting classes for gaining more knowledge and more interest in you for German. Oh, sorry. Das alphabet. Das alphabet. Das is the, we had covered in previous class. Das is the and alphabet. Das alphabet. Okay. As we all know, Germans say A for A, double A sound, and B for B. For A we have 2A sound, and its first example, like firstly Apfel. Apfel means apple. Apple. Okay. Apfel, and its second example is alt. Old. Its spelling and pronunciation are very much different and very much complicated for all. And second one is alt, and third one is Alsten. Alsten. Doctor. Doctor. But it is feminine. Feminine means female doctor. Okay. And our fourth letter is Auf Wiedersehen. So it is a goodbye. As we had three type of goodbyes in German. As we had three type of German goodbyes like ciao, auf Wiedersehen, auf Wiederhören, and ciao is also cheers. So basically ciao is not a German word, it is a Latin word, but Germans also use it. But mainly the word is cheers for friends in informal ways. But in formal ways you have to say auf Wiedersehen, and in formal way, but in phone call like messages and phone calls, you have to just say auf Wiederhören. It's not auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen is used when you are talking to someone face to face. But if you are not talking to someone face to face and just talking to him or her in phone calls and messages, texting, so you have to just say auf Wiederhören for bye. And for friends, not for teachers, like not for formal way, informal goodbye is choose. Just say choose. Goodbye. So write it till here. Then we'll cover our fifth word of A. Just leave that. We have a space, enough space to do that here. It is auto. It don't have very much big spelling. Auto means car. Auto means car. Auto, not auto. Auto. It is auf Wiedersehen, it is Arsten, it is Alt, it is Apfel, it is Auto. Apple means apple, art means old, Austin means doctor, but feminine means female. Auf Wiedersehen is goodbye, but face to face goodbye, not a phone call or not a informal way goodbye. And auto is car, auto car. It is not auto, it is auto. Hope you had noted till here. Okay. Just listen to me carefully. We will cover 2 letters in our video. So in next video we will cover more 2 letters, and either next video we will cover 2 letters, and like that we will complete this series and letters also. It was not very much interesting that we are covered in our previous video, so let's just leave that and do with me in this series. It will help you in your expression and your German knowledge. Okay, so for A we have double A, and B have B. B means, it is German word, it is English word, it is English B, it is B, German word. And example is, first example is Baum. Baum means tree. And second example is beide, both. Third example is brought. Brought, bread, beide, both, Baum, tree. Okay. So listen to me carefully. Brought is bread, butter is butter, but if you join these 2 words you have sandwich, which is brought und butter. So if you had seen someone brought und butter, it is simply sandwich. Beide, both, Baum, tree, and both. It has simple meaning like English boot. It is booter. So note it till here. Oh, book is normal book. So now you can note it till here. Then we'll end up this class and do more topic in next class, like say, D, E, F, G, K, and all. Okay, write it till here. So hope you had noted till here. Hope you are enjoying these type of videos in which we got more expression examples and more knowledge from that videos. Not videos, it is one video we have which I had covered in our first session. So you will get more expression means, so listen to me very carefully. After these classes, I'll tell you more words which we can use in our daily life. Expression. But during classes, I'll tell you more words either than them. So expression means speaking. So note it, where it is very much important word whenever I say expression. So it is means speaking. So these words will help you in your expression. Expression means speaking. It will help you in speaking and get more knowledge in your German, and very much helpful for you for your German career. So this is Rudra. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share my video. That's for today. Bye bye.